Can he come tonight?
He might be busy.
Can she do it alone?
Don't worry, I'll help.
Can they join us later?
Yes, they'll be here soon.
Can he lift this box?
It's too heavy for him.
Can she sing that song?
She knows all the lyrics.
Can they fix the car?
They need some tools first.
Can he run fast?
He is very quick.
Can she make dinner?
She cooks very well.
Can they stay overnight?
Yes, they can stay here.
Can he drive safely?
He drives very carefully.
Can she solve this puzzle?
She is very smart.
Can they swim well?
They love swimming.